ConductorOne provides identity governance and just-in-time provisioning for GitHub. You're able to integrate your GitHub instance with ConductorOne to run user access reviews, enable just-in-time access requests, and automatically provision and deprovision access. You can sync user identities from GitHub to ConductorOne, and the resources that are supported are repositories, teams, and organizations. This integration has been set up directly between ConductorOne and the GitHub application as we see here. We can see within resources that contain specific permissions that can be granted to users. And access controls is where you can view the current access request settings for all of the application's entitlements and make changes to how individual entitlements are requested and provisioned. With entitlements, we can see here the various entitlements being pulled in from GitHub that includes organization and team access as well as repositories. In accounts, we can see the users associated with this GitHub application. And if we're looking to grant users temporary or short-term privileges that exceed their standard access levels, you can use ConductorOne and GitHub together to achieve this. Let's go to Request Access, and here we'll look to provide some just-in-time elevated access to a user who needs it for the engineering group. If we look at GitHub, we can see that the account ty.davis@ConductorOne currently doesn't have access to the engineering team. In a quick few steps, we can request that access and, depending on policy, be automatically approved and provisioned. In the case of a break glass, we can use the emergency access toggle here. If we want to use the ConductorOne CLI cone, similarly, in just a few steps we can request that access and, depending on policy, be automatically approved and provisioned. ConductorOne makes it a better way to manage, govern, and secure identity within your GitHub application.